Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to set up Namecheap domain. So first, sign in to your Namecheap account. Select Domain List from the left sidebar and click on the Manage button next to your domain name. Click on the Advanced DNS tab and find the Host Records section. Click on the records for @ and www to modify their values. Select a record for the type for @ and www and point them to 52.2.64.1 IP address. Alternatively, you can use a record for @host pointing to 52.2.64.1 IP address and CNAME for www map to your bare domain name. In both cases, the domain will be configured correctly. The settings will look like this in this case. Save changes using the corresponding green button. Normally, it takes 30 minutes for newly created host records to take effect. Once you've done so, please make sure your www.yourdomain.tld is not mapped to your parking page. If you still have similar records, you need to remove them to have the correct page displayed after the setup. After your settings have been activated, you need to make sure About.me knows about your custom domain so that it can direct visitors to your site. Just log into your About.me account and publish your site to your domain name. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.